Hi guys, it's Miss Humphrey here with a math lesson. Today we're going to be talking about adding fractions. So let's go ahead and look at this first example. Fractions with like denominators have the same denominator. So I'm going to highlight that because that's really important. In order to add fractions, they need to have like denominators, which means they need to have the same denominator. So you can only add fractions who have like denominators. So looking here, they're going to do 4/6 plus 1/6. And the reason that we can add these is because they have a like denominator. And in this case, the like denominator is 6. So it says, draw a number line labeled with the 6th. Model the fraction 4/6 by starting at 0 and shading up to 4. So the first number we have, and I'm going to color code this, the first number is 4/6. So I'm going to start at 0 and go up to 4/6. And I went a little bit too far. I'm just going to do it one more time. Up to 4/6. Then it says add the fraction 1/6 by shading one more sixth. So I'm going to circle 1/6. And I'm going to represent that on my line by shading one more sixth. Or you could see me add it up here. One more sixth. So I went from 4/6, I added one more 6, and now I have 5/6. And that's where I get this answer here, 5/6. What's really important here is to notice this pattern. I'm going to pick another color to highlight with. But I see all along here, what do you notice about my denominator? Here it's 6, here it's 6, here it's 6. The denominator stays the same. But what happens up top is I do 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So I do the addition on the top or in the numerator, and on the bottom, I just leave the number the same. So let's use that information to do it here. And I don't personally need to use the model. I don't really like to use the model actually. I prefer just to show my math. So I'm going to do it here, which I'm going to tell myself that I'm going to keep my denominator the same. So I know my denominator for sure is going to be, oops, that's too thick, is going to be 5, because I'm going to keep the denominator the same during addition. And what I also know is that my top is going to be 1 plus 4 equals, what is 1 plus 4? It is 5. So my answer is 5/5, which is actually 1 whole. But we'll get to that later. Let's do this one down here. Again, I'm going to tell myself my denominator is going to stay the same. So I know my denominator is 10 because the denominator stays the same in addition. And then I'm going to just do the addition on the top. 2 plus 4 equals, well, 4, 5, 6. So that means my answer is 6/10. So 2/10 plus 4/10 equals 6/10. And then the last one we have is down here. And again, I'm going to keep my bottom the same. So this equals a denominator of 4. And then I'm going to do the addition on the top. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. That's all for today, folks. We are just learning addition of fractions, so I will post a Google form that has questions like this for you. And let me know if you have any questions about it, okay? I'll see you guys later.